Have you ever stopped to wonder how a creature as peculiar as the anteater came to be? With its long snout, bushy tail, and a tongue that flicks in and out 160 times a minute, the anteater is a marvel of evolution. But there's more to this animal than meets the eye. Beyond its quirky appearance lies a story of survival, adaptation, and the delicate balance of nature. Today, we're diving deep into the world of anteaters, exploring their origins, their role in the ecosystem, and the challenges they face in our modern world. By the end of this video, you'll see these fascinating creatures in a whole new light. So let's begin this journey together. To truly understand the anteater, we need to go back, way back. Around 60 million years ago, after the dinosaurs disappeared, mammals began to flourish. Among them were the ancestors of today's anteaters. These early creatures were part of a group called Xenarthra, which also includes sloths and armadillos. But what set anteaters apart was their unique adaptation, a specialized diet of ants and termites. Over millions of years, anteaters evolved to become the ultimate insectivores. Their long snouts and sticky tongues are perfectly designed for raiding ant nests and termite mounds. But it's not just about eating. Anteaters play a crucial role in their ecosystems. By controlling insect populations, they help maintain the balance of their habitats. Without them, forests could be overrun by termites, leading to devastating consequences for plant life and other animals. Today, there are 4 species of anteaters: the giant anteater, the silky anteater, the northern tamandua, and the southern tamandua. Each has adapted to its specific environment, from the dense rainforests of South America to the dry savannas of Central America. But despite their differences, all anteaters share one thing in common. They're perfectly designed for their niche in nature. Humans have been fascinated by anteaters for centuries. Indigenous peoples of the Americas revered them for their unique appearance and behavior. Some even believed anteaters had spiritual significance, symbolizing patience and perseverance. But as human societies grew and expanded, our relationship with anteaters began to change. In the modern era, anteaters have been both admired and exploited. While some are kept in zoos for conservation and education, others have been captured for the exotic pet trade. This has led to a decline in wild populations, as anteaters are not well suited to life in captivity. They require a specialized diet and environment that's difficult to replicate outside their natural habitat. Perhaps the greatest impact humans have had on anteaters is through habitat destruction. As rainforests are cleared for agriculture, logging, and urban development, anteaters lose their homes and food sources. This has forced them to adapt to new environments, often with tragic results. In some areas, anteaters have been known to wander into human settlements in search of food, leading to conflicts with people and domestic animals. Today, anteaters face a myriad of challenges that threaten their survival. One of the most pressing is road mortality. As roads cut through their habitats, anteaters are increasingly at risk of being hit by vehicles. This is especially true for the giant anteater, which is slow-moving and often crosses roads in search of new foraging grounds. Another major threat is climate change. As temperatures rise and weather patterns shift, the delicate balance of ecosystems is disrupted. This affects the availability of ants and termites, which are the anteater's primary food source. Without enough food, anteaters struggle to survive and reproduce. But perhaps the most heartbreaking challenge is the loss of genetic diversity. As populations decline and become fragmented, anteaters are at risk of inbreeding. This can lead to health problems and reduced resilience to diseases. In some areas, conservationists are working to reintroduce anteaters to the wild, but it's an uphill battle. The story of the anteater is more than just a tale of survival. It's a reflection of our own impact on the planet. As we continue to expand and develop, we're pushing countless species to the brink of extinction. But the anteater's plight also highlights the resilience of nature. Despite the odds, these creatures continue to adapt and survive, reminding us of the importance of preserving the natural world. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the challenges we face, but there's also hope. Around the world, people are working tirelessly to protect anteaters and their habitats. From conservation programs to community education initiatives, these efforts are making a difference, but they need our support. So what can you do to help? First, Educate yourself and others about the importance of anteaters and the challenges they face. Share this video with your friends and family to spread awareness. Second, support organizations that are working to protect anteaters and their habitats. Even a small donation can make a big difference. And finally, consider making sustainable choices in your daily life. Whether it's reducing your carbon footprint or supporting eco-friendly products, every action counts. The story of the anteater is a reminder that we're all connected to each other and to the natural world. By working together, we can ensure that these incredible creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of anteaters. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and subscribe to the Animal Variation for more fascinating explorations of the natural world. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.